I was surprised today when I got home and I had this sitting in there from these people right here. I ordered this a couple of days ago on eBay. It got here really quick. Y'all that know macro photography, know macro photography, know what this is. I'm just finding out about it. So I was hoping I could use this for video. Obviously, it's a lot smaller than what I anticipated for macro, right? But it is kind of sturdy. I've used that maker before on some stuff. I've been happy with some stuff. I haven't been happy with stuff. For instance, this tripod, for instance, I got this from that same maker probably, I want to say 10 years ago, 15, no, it's longer than that, about 15 years ago. And I brought 3 of them. And this is the last tripod I got, but it's all metal. It feels like some type of composite or whatever. What this is an Arca Swiss 110. It's good. I got one of these on my 200 to 500 right now. It fits perfectly. Also, same size as, I guess that's Sigma. But really, you're going to be using this with a macro lens. So I got this 60 millimeter. It's just a little walk around, macro lens. And I wanted to do some video. And I thought this was going to be like twice the size, but it isn't. But I'm still happy with it. I'll be using it with a macro and a D850. And I got a light table over here. I'm gonna be in here experimenting with some stuff. But let's see here. So that was all the way back. Now I'm gonna crank it all the way towards you. And that's all the way towards you. So this is all the way, whichever way you looking at it, it's on my right. So I'm gonna crank it all the way to the left. You can see how long it takes. It's like a medium crank. I ain't really putting a whole lot of tension. Like on a scale of 1 to 10, I guess it's like about a 6. I'm an old man though, so take that into account too. Right here, it's loose. It's loose when you loosen it. But when you tighten it, hey, you know what? It gets tight. It's a little bubble right here, whatever. I mean, when you put a camera body on top of this, how you gonna see the bubble? But at least before you put the camera body on it, you can see the bubble. Okay, and I'm also looking at this wrong, right? So if it's like right here, so that means the camera's going to really be facing like in this direction in most scenarios, right? So in that scenario, okay, so look, this is going to be front, right? Like that. Now we cooking. And then, of course, I can move it, okay, left to right. And so that's how you work that. That's also a learning curve right there for me. Because I've never used one of these before, So, yeah, looking at how you would put the camera on it this way. So, yeah, okay, that makes, I guess, even better sense. But that's what it is. It hasn't broken. I've taken it out the box. I haven't mounted a camera to it. I guess I could if I wanted to. But I feel like going to bed. It's been a long day. But like I said, this was here at home waiting for me. And I hadn't did an unboxing in a long time. I actually not going to give them a bad rating by being so small, because it is going to work good for what I want, you know. And yeah, it might work good for you too, but don't expect it to be for video, because it ain't. Peace out.